What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and today we are an hour late, but we're on our way to Cypress Cars and Coffee, my favorite car show in Houston area. It is a chilly one today, boys. It's like 40 degrees outside. We're gonna get a little E85 cold start on the SS1LE, and we're gonna head out and do Cypress Cars and Coffee. Hopefully, people still came out, and hopefully I didn't miss them all either, but here we go. Cold start, Camaro SS1LE, Texas speed headers, X-pipe, MBRP, Axleback, and tuned on E85. Let's see. That was a brutal one. That was a good one, brother. Extra cold. We just get here, the ProCharge GT350 is starting to roll out. The homie. The Grinch stole the car show. All right, we are here, boys. We got the SS1LE Supras, all sorts of cool stuff. But it's time to take a look around what we got here. Classics, supercars, muscle cars, whatever you boys want, we got it here. We're gonna take a look around and then we'll get some sense for you. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Stick around till the end. Leave me some comments, likes, all that good stuff. Help support the channel. And remember, shopcarsacrosstexas.com. Instant Pup is 20% off a shirt, jacket, hat, whatever. Support the channel, support the build. Link below. Let's get to it. We got the DF Goblins here. Oh my God. Can't imagine being in one of these right now in this cold. These little things are cool. There's a little exoskeleton go-kart thing.
That's what we
They got the Cobalt motors, I'm pretty sure, out back. There we go. C8 about to roll out as well. Now I do want to give a quick shout out to my boys All Motors Detail. They got it cleaned up for me last night, and then it unfortunately a little Houston pop-up storm came by and rained on him. But he stopped right by my dealership, washed it up before he handed it off to me. Ignore, there are going to be a few bugs on it because they did just come down 99. If you live in Houston, you know all the bugs on 99. And I was hauling some ass, so got a little bug splatters, but they got it cleaned up and looking nice for me. Drop them a follow and hit them up. Tell them I sent you. Get you a detail with them boys, okay? Oh, wait, hold on, I didn't even get around to show y'all this. We got the Christmas vacation wagon with Clark Griswold in the passenger seat and their Christmas tree. Get the CTSV coupe rolling in. That is amazing, I love it. Things sound really good. We got the Goblin leaving as a Huracan. We're rolling in. Who the hell is this? This thing looks crazy. That thing looks insane. Let's get it, boss. All right, boys, I'm gonna try to get some stuff, but it seems like cars are rolling out faster than I can manage to make it back in and record. I don't think y'all are gonna be complaining about that though. You don't have to listen to me talk as much, but we got this very nice Shelby GT350 here. And probably the spec I'd go for, man. The black on the blue stripes is a really cool touch. You don't see too many of these in this sort of spec. There's a lot of white on blue, red on white, but black on blue, unique, and I think it looks pretty dang killer. Oh, we got a ZR1 rolling out, so we gotta go. We got the race truck rolling out. La Mamalona. Oh my God, did y'all hear that turbo spool? Damn, son. What the hell? Bro, he's got Porsche wheels in the wagon. I love it. That's so good. I love it. There we go. I never seen that man give it that much gasoline in a show. Good job, my brother. We got the homie Robert rolling out in his garage-built 1600 horsepower GTR. And what's funny is that's probably on his slow setting. It's like 1250 horsepower. Just insane. Thing is actually built for autocross. Ooh, a Type S, one of 350. There we go. Mamalona, cat! There we go. The new RS3.
Shut up! It's almost done.
Alright, this thing fucks. M3 comp, the color's sick. What? Oh damn, brother! Oh damn, brother! Let's see it. Boys are mobbing. And we got the Grinch. $27,991, boys. I know what I got. What is this thing? That thing has to be worth the money, bro. Do a fucking burnout, brother. Damn, brother. What the dog doing? He's in every Cypress Cars and Coffee video, and it will not ever change. You will continue to be in every Cypress video. Yeah, definitely. right, boys, I'm walking home. I'm back in the show. What the fuck is that? What are these truck horns this morning? Oh my God, this thing sounds crazy. This thing sounds and looks crazier. What in the world is this thing? My followers are always asking me to go ask what's done to people's cars. Oh my God, brother! What the hell?
This is the first time out, so don't criticize.
What's done to it?
Blown LQ4.
There we go. Let's see this thing. This thing is so sick. He's on the billets, Willwood brakes, supercharged roll cage. This thing is so sick. Got the fuel cell back here. All right, boys, it is time for us to head out. Leaving Cars and Coffee, Cypress, my favorite meet in the Houston area. We are literally the last car in the lot besides me, an R33, and the owner in his TRX. But another great show, nonetheless. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Remember, shop carsacrosstexas.com. Instant Hub is 20% off at purchase. Get you a shirt, jacket, hat, whatever, sports stands for the build. And I'll catch you next one, guys. Peace.